It's just fantastic. I'm so happy for everybody. You know, one of the best things is you get to see a lot of people that were involved in the making of the film at events like this, and it's great to reconnect with everybody and just have the fans here and everyone to celebrate this. And you know, Jon's such a great storyteller. I can't wait for people to see what he's put together. I love it every time. I mean, it's honestly the most energizing thing is when you see how much it means to people, what it means to fans. It's always good to give you a lot of energy for, you know, the future and what you've got to do, not just what you're doing now. And so I really appreciate their love for it. I appreciate, you know, how they turn out for us, and I got nothing but love for the Star Wars fans, of course. Oh my gosh, well, you've got like the ultimate, you know, father figure in Mando, Pedro. It was just phenomenal, and Grogu, the child, the dynamic of, be it father and son you relate to, master and an apprentice, someone in life that's trying to teach you and lead you, and hopefully the moment that, you know, your small one starts to learn themselves and impress you. It's a story that we all experience and relate to on some level, and I think Jon's such a master storyteller. It's great to see him at the helm again directing a film, so I'm excited for everyone.